The third issue that I see a lot of you doing is not using enough paint for the size of canvas that you're using.
Mistake after mistake.
In this case, we're using a 4x8 tile, and for this size, I would use about 2 ounces of paint. This is a 2-ounce cup, so I would fill it up all the way, and that's how much paint I would use for this painting. How do I come up with that number? Well, basically I multiply your base, your height, divide that by 16, and that should give you an approximate estimate of ounces. So 4 times 8 is 32, and you divide that by 16 and you get 2. Now that amount might vary a little depending on how thick or how thin your paints are. So the thicker they are, the more paint you'll need. The thinner they are, the less paint you'll need. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to add my paints here, but instead of adding 2 ounces, I'm going to add maybe 1 ounce. Let's just do that and see what happens. As you can see, I already can tell that it's not going to be enough.
It's just not enough.
Because I need to cover this and all of this. So right now we're kind of covering maybe like half of the canvas, roughly half. So if we would have added the whole 2 ounces, we wouldn't be having this issue of having to wait for the paint to move all the way over here.
Don't be stingy.
We would have just had enough paint to where we can flip to one side, flip to the next, get it evenly covered, fast and easy. And now, as you can see, I had, I guess, some cells going on there, but now they just look like squiggly lines because now I'm having to tilt this too much to try to cover, that area, and I'm just not gonna have enough. So my cells will start looking all wonky. I'm just gonna start seeing these lines, it's basically the paint stretching out. And if the paint is too thin, then I'll start getting the squiggly lines like in that painting over there. You see the point here. If I had just added another ounce, yes, I would have wasted some paint, but I would have kept my cells round looking and just have an overall easier time in getting my surface covered.